Okay, so read through the question, and we want to find which table represents zero point 0.3 kilometers per minute. So again, if you recognize that these are proportional, you could just take the y and divide by the x. But again, since some of you have a hard time dividing, I'm going to go ahead and show you the subtract, subtract, divide, like we do with the non-proportional equations. So letter choice A would be plus 0. This is plus 5. So if you take the change in y, 0, and you divide by 5, do we get 0.3? No. That one's pretty simple. You could have also taken the y. If you would have taken the y there, you would have had 0.3. And dividing by 5, that would have given us 0.06, but every one of these probably would have given us a different answer. 0.3 divided by 10 would have given us 0.03. They don't have the same constant rate of change. Let's try this way. If we do the easy one right here, the y is 3, and we can divide by 10. Well, that's 0.3. Oh, that looks good. So that one there looks good. Let's try the other ones. Let's try 6 and divide it by 20. I'm trying to pick the easy ones right here. So the y goes inside the box. Remember, it's the y divided by the x. That's the constant of proportionality. This is proportional because there's no plus or minus. So the y goes inside the box, the x goes outside. What is that? Oh, 0.3. 20 times 3 is 60. So this one also equals 0.3. So this one looks good. I'm going to leave those for later because for some of you with calculation, it might be easier to try some of these. So right here we have 0.3 divided by 5. So I'm going to try it over here. 0.3 divided by 5. Bring up that point, and you have 0.06. And what do we want up here? We want a 0.03. So keep that in mind. So this is not correct. Just to make sure you did it correctly, you could try this one. 0.6 divided by 10. Well, that would also be 0.06. The way it looks, if you continue on, this might be proportional, and it might be 0.06 kilometers per minute. But you'd have to check these to make sure. Let's try this one. Maybe an easy one would be divided by 10. So let's try that. 10.3 divided by 10 is 1. Well, that's not 1. It's a 0.3. So right away we know there's a 1 there. It's not going to be D. So we know it has to be B by the process of elimination. We eliminated A, C, and D. Now you could go ahead and do 1.5 divided by 5, and you see we get a 0.3. You could take 4.5 divided by 15, and we should get a 0.3. So the answer is B, constant rate of change.